Types of love you will probably experience in this life. Many of us encounter love at least once in our lives, evoking feelings of beauty, vulnerability, excitement, and nervousness simultaneously. However, have you ever pondered the notion of love existing in various forms? Indeed, it's possible. For those who have fallen in love multiple times with different individuals, each experience may have been unique. If you're intrigued to explore this further, here are the different types of love you might encounter in your lifetime. 1. Erotic love. This form of love revolves around desire and sensuality, characterized by intense passion that arises from attraction to another individual. Furthermore, one doesn't necessarily have to be in a romantic relationship to experience erotic love for someone else. Essentially, it equates to lust and represents a completely natural chemical reaction within the body. 2. Manipulative love. This type of love inevitably leads to suffering. Here, one or both parties are consistently seeking to exploit the other. They employ manipulation tactics, gaslighting their partner, instilling feelings of inadequacy, and exerting control over their actions. Ultimately, this dynamic leaves both individuals feeling even more isolated than they did when alone. 3. Obsessive love. In this scenario, one individual attempts to fill a perpetual void in their life and heart through the relationship. They frequently find themselves in codependent partnerships, believing they require their partner to achieve a sense of wholeness and completeness. 4. Selfless love. This form of love manifests when you wholeheartedly give without any anticipation of reciprocation. It may emerge when you volunteer for a noble cause or when you're in a relationship with someone for whom you harbor deep affection. It embodies a spiritual essence of love. 5. Platonic love. Platonic love holds varying meanings for different individuals, yet its core revolves around companionship. This unique form of love typically involves friendships, where individuals witness each other's flaws but opt to remain steadfast companions regardless. 6. Self-love. It could be characterized as the deep affection and kindness you harbor towards yourself. It encompasses your self-assurance and sense of self-worth, playing a vital role in fostering a contented and satisfying existence. Crucially, prioritizing self-love is fundamental before extending love to others. 7. Family love. The emotions you experience towards family members differ from those towards a romantic partner or a friend. They are profound and frequently unconditional, unaffected by a person's actions or identity. Family love simply embraces you for who you are. Ways of staying strong through divorce. Nobody embarks on marriage envisioning its eventual demise. We often anticipate a lifelong journey of companionship and unity, yet reality seldom aligns with our expectations. Unfortunately, not all marriages endure the trials of time and inevitably lead to divorce. The aftermath of divorce brings considerable pain and hardship. After investing substantial time and affection into a relationship, the absence of a loved one can be devastating. Hence, here are some strategies to maintain resilience during a divorce. 1. Recognize that it took courage to divorce. Divorce is a challenging decision to make. Numerous individuals endure unhappy marriages due to apprehensions about being alone, facing change, or taking risks. Summoning the courage to pursue divorce requires significant bravery. Thus, commend yourself for striving for a better life. Over time, the benefits of divorce will gradually become apparent. 2. Let your emotions out. Navigating divorce will expose you to a whirlwind of emotions. Beyond the feelings associated with adapting to lifestyle changes, it may also stir up memories of previous losses, feelings of abandonment, and loneliness. Permit yourself to experience these emotions fully, allow your tears to fall. It's healthier to release these feelings rather than suppressing them, as they may resurface later and exacerbate the pain. 3. Give yourself time to recover. Don't expect the pain to dissipate quickly. The aftermath of divorce unfolds in phases, and healing progresses through various stages. Therefore, it's essential to grant yourself the necessary time to mourn. Maintain resilience and optimism throughout the process. 4. Be kind to yourself. Certainly, you may have also made several mistakes that contributed to the divorce. However, dwelling on past errors serves no purpose. As part of maintaining resilience during a divorce, it's crucial to incorporate daily habits of self-compassion. 5. Start rebuilding yourself. Take advantage of the divorce as an opportunity to reconnect with yourself. Engage in activities you had set aside because they didn't align with your partner's preferences or interests. Resuming these neglected pursuits can contribute significantly to maintaining a positive outlook throughout the divorce process. 6. Take care of your diet and fitness. Despite feeling inclined to skip meals and remain in bed all day, prioritizing your health is essential. This entails maintaining a balanced diet and engaging in regular exercise. Ensure you consume a variety of nutritious foods, including fresh fruits and vegetables, and incorporate outdoor activities into your routine to benefit from sunlight, which can uplift your mood. 7. Travel. Embarking on solo travel serves as an effective method to cultivate courage, aiding in emotional resilience during divorce. Consider planning a journey to a destination you've yet to explore. Immersing yourself in new surroundings can bolster your positivity and outlook. Additionally, arranging a vacation to an unfamiliar locale enables you to envision the future and indulge in a bit of dreaming. Ways to deal with sexual frustration. According to American sex therapist and sexologist Jenny Schuyler, sexual frustration encompasses both the psychological letdown from lack of intimacy with a specific partner and the physical discomfort of arousal without release. Additionally, it may stem from challenges in achieving orgasm or a decrease in libido due to various factors. If you're grappling with sexual frustration, here are some strategies to address it. 1. Seek emotional intimacy. Managing sexual frustration doesn't always necessitate engaging in sexual activity. Platonic relationships offer a wonderful avenue for satisfying emotional intimacy. Whether it's through supportive embraces or having a dependable shoulder to lean on, these connections can fulfill the need for affection that you yearn for deeply. 2. Sweat it out. Engaging in physical activity can alleviate pent-up sexual frustration. Whether it's going for a lengthy run or hitting the gym, exercising provides an outlet to release the stored energy contributing to your frustration. 3. Don't blame your partner. Despite feeling frustrated, refrain from placing blame solely on your partner. Remind yourself that it's an issue concerning both of you, not just them. Recognize that individuals have varying sexual preferences and desires, and misalignment is not indicative of wrongdoing on either side. Instead of assigning blame, engage in open dialogue about the aspects you wish to enhance in the bedroom. 4. Initiate sex. Frequently, women rely on their partners to initiate sexual activity, which can create strain for both individuals. Feelings of pressure or rejection may lead to resentment for either party. If your partner isn't taking the lead, it doesn't necessarily mean they lack interest in sex. They might just be awaiting your signals. 5. Talk to them. If efforts to enhance emotional intimacy or initiate sexual activity haven't yielded results, it could be beneficial to have a mature conversation about sex. 6. Speak with a professional. If you suspect that your frustrations are linked to a mental health issue or are significantly affecting other aspects of your life, seeking guidance from a therapist or counselor can assist you in managing them more effectively. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.